We have a 2003 Toyota Sienna, and my friend here can't figure out how to change the headlight bulb. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do it. There's a little rubber cover here behind the headlight. It's this little pull tab. You pull that off. That's where the electric comes in to connect to the bulb. Now this bulb's tricky. It's got this little wire in there. Doesn't come out like a regular bulb. Now watch what I do carefully, if you can. Put my finger on that wire, push down and pull up just to release it. It's like hooked in there. Just to release it out of that little hook that's right there. Then flip it open, this little wire. And then we can pull the bulb straight out. Very simple. Now you can call the dealer, or you can go to the auto supply with the light. It tells you, there's numbers on it here. It tells you what the bulb is. We have a replacement bulb here. Put that back in. See, it's got three little tabs. Three little tabs. You have to line them up on the housing. And do not touch the bulb, because the grease from your fingers will actually cause it to heat up in those areas and it'll burn out. So we're going to put it back in. It's lined up perfectly, and we're going to flip this back, this little lever back over and into the hook. See, it's hooked in right there, and that actually holds the bulb in. And then we put the little plug back in. You can see that. We're going to plug that in. It's got some grease on it. Once that's plugged in, you close it back up, seal it tight. And that's it. A little tricky on this bulb, a little different than most vehicles. Alright, there's our bulb. It's working. That's for the Toyota Sienna. And that little lever that you put makes a contact to the bulb that makes a connection too, so that's important. Not only holds it in, but it makes a contact. Joe Beermaster.